Good morning, it's me, the video elf, and I'm here at 7:35 on Wednesday morning, February 9th, while you're still at home rubbing your eyes and eating your Fruit Loops. I'm here to do a quick video for you on MC 115 from Chapter 5. And as I've told you in class, even though Chapter 5 is about over and we're moving on, this type of problem will continue to happen not only this year, but next year as well. So I wanted to take this opportunity to help you practice one. We've got Elle moving to Hawks Bluff for 1 year and she wants to join a health club. She has narrowed her choices to 2 clubs, Thigh Hopes and Absolutely Fabulous. Thigh Hopes has a monthly fee of $95, not a monthly fee, just a fee, a membership fee of $95 and a monthly fee of $15. So I'm going to take a few notes here. Excuse me. Thigh Hopes is $95 to join, and we know that means plus. Monthly fee, monthly means each month, and we know that each means we're multiplying. So $15 each month. And I'm going to go over here and say x equals months. We have to define our variable. We have to be able to define every single number and symbol in an equation for it to make sense. And then we have absolutely fabulous. I'll just call that abfab. Their membership fee, this one-time fee, is $125. And plus sign, $12 per month. Per is another word that means multiplying. So $12 per month. Even though the multiplication sign is not there, we know it's there when we have a coefficient and a variable side by side. Alright, so now we have expressions for both clubs. And we need to figure out which one she should choose. If we go back up to the problem, it shows she's only going to be there for 1 year. 1 year equals 12 months, right? We needed to do that so our variable is equal to what we're attempting to solve here. If we put years into our expressions, we're going to get a funky decimal, weird kind of an answer. So let's figure this out. All we need to do is substitute 12 for x, and this will give us the price of both clubs after 12 months, and then we can make a good decision. Look at that spelling mistake. Let me fix that. Whew, spelling counts all the time. Here we go. Thigh Hopes, TH, $95. The membership fee, one-time fee, that does not happen again, plus $15 each month for 12 months. That makes $95 plus 12 squared is 144 and another 36 should make 180. You can check my math on your calculator though. In fact, that's always a good idea. And that looks like $275 for 1 year at Thigh Hopes. Okay? I'm going to get my problem out of the way here so I can move the page up. Okay. Alright. And then we have abfab, AF, $125 to join, $12 each month for 12 months. And that's 125 plus 12 times 12 is 144. And that equals $269 for 1 year. So the original question was, which club should she join? She's only going to live here for 1 year. And based on price alone, we're going to go for this. But as you know, when you're making a decision in real life, there are some other factors, right? Some of which might be location. How close is the club to her house? Since there's only a $6 price difference, maybe she'd rather go to Thigh Hopes because it's closer to her house. So we can't just base decisions on price alone. Price is just one factor. We also have service, right? Maybe the people at Absolutely Fabulous are grumpy and not very friendly. Maybe they don't have enough people working there to help everybody. Maybe the equipment's dirty. Speaking of which, you know, how clean is this club? Maybe you don't want to save $6 and go to a dirty club. And then, you know, their hours, are they open all the time? So there's lots of other factors here. So with a $6 difference in real life, you would definitely be looking at all these other factors because the price is virtually the same. Now I want to take this a step further. So if that helps you, good. Turn this off and move on. But those of you that want more of a challenge and some more practice doing something different, I've added a little bit to this problem. Let me zoom in here. Can you write an equation to show when the two clubs cost the same? And can you graph those two equations? So here we go. Let's do that. First of all, write an equation to show when they cost the same. All I do is take each expression that I used up above and put an equal sign in the middle. There, did that. Now I can solve it, and this will show after how many months the clubs cost the same. So I'm going to take away 12x from both sides. Remember our balance scale concept that we used in class. Now I'll take 95 away from each side. I'm quickly running out of room here at the bottom. I'll have to graph on a different page. Oh no! 3 months, $30. Divide both sides by 3. And we get, after 10 months, the price is the same. It's one thing to solve an equation, but it's way more important to know what you're talking about, what that stands for, what does that answer mean. In this case, the answer is 10. Great. But more importantly, this 10 means that after 10 months, the price of the two clubs is the same. So now I'm going to graph this. Hold on just a moment, please.